Hi students. Phenol reactions, named reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So Riemann-Tiemann reaction, phenol reacts with chloroform in the presence of NaOH or KOH at 70 degrees centigrade gives orthosalicylaldehyde. So it is also called as phenol formylation reaction. So formyl group means CHO group, aldehyde group. It is also called as formyl group. So now we see the reaction phenol OH. So it is benzene ring. OH group is present on benzene ring. This compound is called as phenol. This phenol reacts with chloroform in the presence of KOH or NaOH by heating at 70 degrees centigrade. It gives orthosalicylaldehyde. Orthosalicylaldehyde OH. At ortho positions, CHO group is substituted. This is OH group. These two positions are ortho positions. These two positions are meta positions. This is para position. So formyl group is substituted on ortho position. Aldehyde group, it is called as orthosalicylaldehyde. Orthosalicylaldehyde. The side products are KCl plus H2O. So observe here, we take chloroform 3 Cls and here 3 moles of KCl, 3 Ks, 3 KOH. Here number of oxygens 3, 4, 1, 2. The remaining 2 moles of water. So this reaction is called as Riemann-Tiemann reaction or phenol formylation reaction. So what is Riemann-Tiemann reaction? Phenol reacts with chloroform in the presence of KOH. Upon heating gives orthosalicylaldehyde. This reaction is called as Riemann-Tiemann reaction or phenol formylation reaction. Okay, reaction mechanism. So in reaction mechanism, step 1, KOH ionizes, gives K plus OH minus, K plus OH minus. This is step 1. Next, step 2, OH minus reacts with phenol. So for our convenience, we write like this: OH, phenol, OH minus. So this sigma bonded electrons shifted towards this oxygen. The oxygen gets negative charge. H plus is formed. This H plus reacts with OH minus, converted into water, and phenol converted into phenoxide ion, O minus plus H2O. This is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. In third step, OH minus ion reacts with chloroform CH So here this sigma bonded electrons are shifted towards this side. Carbon gets negative charge, hydrogen gets positive charge. This H plus reacts with OH minus, water is eliminated, and here water eliminated minus H2, next carbon Cl. It gets 2 carbons and negative charge, 2 electrons and negative charge. Next one, by the loss of Cl minus Cl minus, it converted into Cl having 2 electrons. This is the intermediate dichlorocarbene. Dichlorocarbene act as an electrophile. Next, step 4. In fourth step, phenoxide ion reacts with dichlorocarbene. O minus, 5 bond. Dichlorocarbene plus CCl2. Dichlorocarbene act as an electrophile. This is phenoxide ion. This is dichlorocarbene. Next one. So this 5 bond shifted towards this side. This carbon gets negative charge. Here positive charge is formed. To neutralize this positive charge, this negative charge is shifted this side. So here double bond is formed. Here negative charge is formed. Dichlorocarbene substituted here. Double bond. Hydrogen. CH. Here. CCl2. Next. Negative charge. 5 bond. Next step, this 5 bond shifted towards oxygen. Oxygen gets negative charge. Here positive charge is formed. To neutralize this positive charge, the CH bonded electrons are shifted this side and H plus comes this side. What is next step? In next step, O minus, double bond, CH, Cl, 5 bond, 5. Next here, plus 2 OH minus. O minus. 5 bond, 5 bond, 5 bond, but Cl replace with OH, and here OH minus Cl minus. Next, here water is eliminated, minus H2, the remaining one O minus, here CHO, here O minus reacts with H plus, it converted into orthosalicylaldehyde, CHO. This is orthosalicylaldehyde, orthosalicylaldehyde. So in Reamer-Tiemann reaction, major product is orthosalicylaldehyde, very minor product para-salicylaldehyde. So why in Reamer-Tiemann reaction orthosalicylaldehyde formed as a major product? So here in orthosalicylaldehyde, the intramolecular hydrogen bond is present, so that's why it is stable compound. So in Reamer-Tiemann reaction, the major product is orthosalicylaldehyde. So this is called as Reamer-Tiemann reaction. It is also called as phenol formylation reaction. It is base catalyzed reaction. So in this reaction, dichlorocarbene act as an electrophile. It is phenol electrophilic substitution reaction. So dichlorocarbene act as an electrophile. It is an intermediate in Reamer-Tiemann reaction.